Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. In case you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today we're going for a road trip. I did this video so many months ago. Like I was just going through my memory cards, and then I got this video. So I said, let me just edit and upload it to you guys. So we're going for a road trip from Nyahururu to Nakuru city. Yes, we are going for a road trip, and I would like guys to take you along with me so that you see how things looks like here. So please like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't subscribed. So thank you so much, guys, and enjoy the video to the end. So guys, Nyahururu is in Laikipia County, and this road, it has been under construction for a while, almost 1 year plus, but in some parts it is complete, and in some parts it is not complete. But you see around the place, amazing environment. Like it has been raining, that's why you're seeing everything is green here. So we are so blessed. We are so blessed. Like just see the way everything looks like here. So please guys, give this video a like. You see, when you like this, when you like the video, like a lot of likes, it helps. Like YouTube tends to recommend the video to a large audience. So please like the video. guys, everything looks amazing here, like amazing weather. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds, guys. The trees around the place. Yeah, everything is okay here. Yeah. Yeah, this is Nyahururu town, yeah, the center, yeah. It's not it is not that big, yeah. So you see beautiful buildings, cars around the place. People are just working hard. Yeah, that is how it looks like. Yeah, so very beautiful. Yes, guys, we are already in Nakuru. We're already in Nakuru, but not at the town center, yeah. But we're heading there. Like you see, the way Nakuru looks like, very clean. See, look at that. Trees. The grass is amazing, yeah. So very clean, very very clean, and also the roads are so clean, yeah. Yes, this is Nakuru, guys, but at this point we got stuck here because we had an accident, yeah, ahead of us, so that's how you can see a lot of traffic. But this is how Nakuru looks like. Yeah, we are heading to the stage. Yeah, so enjoy the video, guys, to the end. Yeah, so finally we are in Nakuru, guys. Yeah, welcome to Nakuru city. Very clean, you see, very very clean. People are so busy. Yeah, people are working so hard. So I'm hoping to do more videos from this place. Yeah, so make sure you do the necessary, guys. Keep tuned. Yeah. So let me just end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for the wonderful support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like my video, share. Also leave a comment down below. Yeah, so we're heading to the main stage. Yeah, like when you want to go to Nairobi, you want to go to Kisumu, you want to go to Kisii, you want to go to Eldoret. Yeah, you come to this place. This is the main stage here now. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.